What's up, YouTube? It's Eddie again with another new arrival. This car is very special. It is a 850 CSI 1994. The car is beautiful. I love it. It's Hellrot red with black leather interior, red seat belts, M parallel wheels, and it's in really nice condition. This is one of 225 US cars ever built 850 CSIs. It's got 74,000 miles. It's a two-owner car. It's got factory BMW phone in it. It's got factory tail. It's got OE style dine-in exhaust. Sounds really nice. Doesn't cause any check engine lights or anything like that. Sounds amazing. I'll turn it on for you in a little bit. It's got a little bit of goodies. It's got Macintosh head unit. You can see here. Dash is fantastic. The seats are in great condition. Original seats, never been touched. All the mechanical components and powers, functions of the seat work. The red seat belts look very nice. There's no pixelation here in the onboard computer. Go ahead and show you the trunk area. I have the original window sticker for the car. I got books and manuals. It's got the tools, as you can see in the photos. Here's the original sticker right here with the VIN number and all the options. 101,000 back in 1994. Car is super clean, very nice condition. Go ahead and I'll turn it on so you can hear it. You can hear how nice the V12 sounds. 375 horsepower. Turns right on. Idles perfectly with no check engine lights or any weird lights of any kind. Even the little sticker is still here on the gas, telling you that you got to put at least 91 octane in it. Headlights work perfectly. They go up and down, no problem. I love the way this thing sounds. I'll do a little sound clip here in a second. Show you how how nice the engine bay is. Purrs like a kitten. It's got this M badge here that's completely removable. It's just bolted in, so there's no, not much to do there. How nice these headlights are. I love them. Still has the Hellrot paint code on the strut tower. It's the only 8 Series that was designed by, that was worked on by BMW Motorsport. Car's sick. I really like it. Comes with a clean Carfax. It's got the books and manuals, the window sticker like I told you. Everything works. Ice cold air conditioning. Here's the phone right here. Love the phone part. The wood's fantastic. Heated seats. Super elegant, very nice. And I'll do a little sound clip here in a second. But if you have any questions on this car, you can feel free to call me, 305-527-6867. My name is Eddie. You can follow us on Instagram at RMC Miami. And you can visit our website for a full gallery. It's rmcmiami.com. Thanks for watching.